Detroit Police, Corporal Corporal.
Hi, Corporal. How you doing today?
Good, sir. How you doing?
Doing good. You ready on for key?
Yes, I am.
All right. This is case 8223-712-926, State of Michigan versus Mustafa Fakih. Your name for the record, please.
Corporal Gregory Caldwell, badge number 924, employed by Detroit Police Department as a court officer.
Do you swear or affirm the testimony you'll provide in this matter will be true?
Yes, sir, I do.
And are you testifying from personal knowledge or from an investigative report?
An investigative report prepared by Officer Chicago Ward of the 6th Precinct Detective Unit. The date of the offense is going to be June 15, 2023. The location of the offense is 20948 West Warren Street, which is in the city of Detroit, County of Wayne. The complainant is going to be a James Robinson. On above date time, Scout 61 made the location and spoke with the complainant, stating that an Arabic male pulled a gun on him while driving eastbound on West Warren. Mr. Robinson said that he was traveling eastbound on Warren from Ann Arbor Trail when he observed a white van traveling northbound on Outer Drive towards West Warren. The complainant said that he quickly moved to the center lane to avoid being hit by the white van. The complainant stated that he put his hands up when the driver of the vehicle passed him. The complainant stated he and the van came to a stop at the red light at Warren and Fielding. The complainant states the driver of the vehicle pulled out a black handgun and pointed at him. The driver of the white van then went through the light and pulled his vehicle in front of the complainant, blocking him from driving forward. The complainant then said that the driver of the white van put his vehicle in reverse and struck the front bumper of the complainant's vehicle and fled the scene. The complainant described the driver of the van to be a white Arabic male, heavy set, over 200 pounds, scruffy face, gray or black shirt on. The suspect vehicle was a white 2008 Chevy Express van with Michigan plate of EHX 4823 with a 313 sticker on the rear driver's side window. Scout 631 on patrol observed a white work van, and Scout 631 pulled behind the vehicle, ran a license plate, and lean matched the description given per dispatch. The officer made contact with the driver, who was identified as Mustafa Fakih, the defendant. Officer asked the driver if he had any weapons in the vehicle. The defendant said yes, it was on his right side. The defendant was then escorted out of the vehicle. The defendant stated he does have a concealed pistol license, and the officer recovered a black 9mm Ruger LC9S handgun from the defendant's right side of his waistband. The complainant then identified the defendant as the suspect who assaulted him in a road rage incident just moments prior. The defendant was arrested and conveyed to Detroit Detention Center without incident in the statement.
Thank you. I do find probable cause to sign the warrant.
Okay.
All right. All right. This will be case 23-057-414, State of Michigan versus Mustafa Fakih. Counsel.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. May it please this most honorable court. Amir Mack 76306, representing Mr. Mustafa Fakih, retained counsel, will waive the formal reading and the charges, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court will enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. As to bond.
Your Honor, my client has no prior criminal record. He is a CPL holder in the city of Detroit. He's a business owner. He owns MFF Construction. He employs some residents of the city of Detroit. He's a long-standing resident of the area. His siblings have retained me in the case. He's not a flight risk. The underlying facts in this case are highly defendable. It appears as if there's no contact or no really any relationship with the complaining witness. May have been a mistaken identity or a road rage incident. With that being said, a weapon is alleged in this case that could have been displayed. So I understand the nature of a weapon being involved. However, Judge, he's got no prior criminal record and ties to the community. I had asked the court for a personal bond in this case.
Thank you, counsel. I'm sure you've advised your client that his CPL is suspended while this case is pending.
Yes, Judge.
Mr. Fakih, while this case is pending, you are not to possess a firearm for any reason. Is that clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Additionally, you're to have no contact with the complaining witness, which shouldn't be difficult because, as your counsel indicated, it doesn't look like there was any pre-existing relationship between the two of you. Court's going to set bond on this matter at $20,000 personal. Next court date will be probable cause conference June 26th and preliminary exam July 30th. What judge is this? I'm sorry. Yeah, no, I read it wrong. July 3rd. Probable cause June 26th, exam July 3rd. What's the judge? Or who's the judge?
Step in the room.
I'll figure it out, Judge, with the 36th District Court.
It's on the paper.
One second, count.
It's Sabri.
Sabri? In front of Judge Sabri for both those dates.
Very well, Judge. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
Yep. Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Faki. You're all set, sir.